Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So in today's video, I'm bringing you guys this very sultry everyday makeup look. It's basically just going to be an eyeshadow tutorial, but I hope you guys enjoy it. If you want to see how I achieve this look, definitely stay tuned. But before we get into this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And also, if you want to see more videos from us on this channel, we do hair videos, makeup videos, fashion videos, and lifestyle videos. So definitely stay tuned after this video and go watch those other ones. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this tutorial. Okay guys, so we're gonna get right into this makeup look, and it's going to be an eyeshadow look, but I'm going to be doing like a very everyday-ish type of look. So for those who like wearing color but don't like being too much out there, this look is going to be perfect for you guys. So I'm gonna start off by priming my lids with my CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. And this is just so that the color is a little more vibrant, and also it helps with minimizing the crease, because as you can see, I'm pretty sure you guys can see it on camera, but my eye is like kind of creasing a little bit. So by doing this is going to eliminate the creasing of the eyeshadow, and it's just going to create like an even canvas, which we love. That's what we want. So to blend it, I'm just going to use a normal brush. You can use whichever brush you want to use. I just use this one because it's easier. Okay, so once that is blended, I let it get tacky a little bit and kind of dry, because you don't want it to basically be wet while you're trying to apply your eyeshadow, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna go into my Kylie Cosmetics eyeshadow. This is the burgundy palette. I've had this for ages. Basically once it dropped, I had it. So this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a transition shade, and my transition shade is gonna be this one right here. So yeah, I'm just going to put that right above where that concealer stops. That's where I'm gonna go and put that eyeshadow, and I'm just going to be using a fluffy brush and kind of pack that on, because the concealer basically stops where my crease is, so that's perfect. And this is just going to help with, making sure that everything blends seamlessly and there's no harsh lines. You want it to blend seamlessly, because you can see that kind of looks like my skin, so it's going to blend really well. Next, I'm going to deepen a little bit the look and go in with this shade right here. And yeah, I'll leave this. I believe the shade is Almond. It's either Almond or Brick. No, actually I think it's Brick. Yeah, it's Brick. So the way this palette was named was just all over the place. It's just so not clear. But yeah, the shade is Brick. This one right here. And I'm just going to put that right underneath that shade that I just put in the crease and in my outer eye area. So you want to go little by little, just so you can be more precise, if that makes sense. Especially, I need new brushes, but just so I can be a little more precise and have a few more. But yeah, it's gonna look something like this, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. So yeah, this shade is kind of a bit burgundy, so that's good. That's what we want. So the next shade I'm going to use is this shade right here, and that is the shade Almond, and I'm just going to put that mostly in the outer eye so that it can deepen my crease, my outer eye. Okay, so the next shade I'm going to go ahead and use is this shade right here. And that is the shade New York, and I'm just going to put that all over like the middle part of my lid. One thing that you can do, you can cut the crease with your concealer if you want it to pop a little more, which I think I'm actually going to do just so that it can like pop a little more. And then I'm just going to go back on the outer eye and just kind of make sure that, you know, it kind of blends all together. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead with that shade and just put that all on top. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the other eye. And this shade is really like, it's a very good like everyday shade because it's pretty dark-ish, but kind of shimmery at the same time, so it's very subtle. I actually like it. And then I'm gonna go back with that other brush and that dark shade a little bit and just make sure that, you know, all the edges blend because you don't want any sharp edges. So now that that's done, I want to brighten it a little, just a little bit in the middle. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that shade over here, which is Naked. And I'm just going to put that on top of that shimmer that I just put. And that's gonna give it like a gradient effect, just like so. And I'm not gonna add too much because I don't want it to be too bright, but just enough. And then I'm gonna go back and just, yeah, something like that. It's pretty, you know, simple, pretty everyday, but as you can see, I brought in a little bit of warmth or a bit of light to my inner eyes. And I'm gonna go ahead and just put my Carli Bybel highlighter in the inner tear duct because I already had some in. And yeah, that's basically it for the eyes. Now we're gonna move to the lashes, and I'll be using the Blushberry Beauty lashes, and these are magnetic lashes. If you watch my last video or a video that I posted not long ago, I tried these for the first time, and since then I've worn them 2 other times, so now I'm pretty like used to them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them on. Once again, I'm not gonna do like a huge liner, but yeah, I'm just going to put them on my eyes using my tweezers. This is their liner. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on first actually, and I'm just going to be creating a small line. I would say be careful with this just because it's the wand is very thick, the applicator is very thick, so it's easy to like make mistakes. But what I learned, you can go with your tweezers before and push your lashes down if you have very curly lashes like me, so it makes it easier to like kind of apply the eyeliner. So yeah, let me stop talking and focus because this part is hard. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry a little bit and then apply the lash right on top of it. Okay, so these are the 2 lashes on. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of just fix a bit my lipstick because it kind of, obviously with like wearing it and stuff, it kind of just, you know, talking and eating and stuff, it kind of just like went away. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. And I'm using the Sugar Bee Cosmetics lipstick in the shade CEO. I literally always use this. And I'm gonna reline my lips just so, you know, it doesn't get lost. just like that. And yeah, that basically completes the look. Something very simple, very everyday, but still like kind of, you know, sultry and cute. So yeah, that's basically it. So guys, this is the end of the video. This is what my eye looks like, and I really like it. It's very like simple but very sultry and very like everyday appropriate. You know, if you want to put eyeshadow every day but you don't want to go too much out there, this is perfect. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Definitely leave a comment down below if you want to see more makeup tutorials and what kind of makeup tutorials you'd like to see, and I'd be glad to bring that to you guys. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
She be mine on level. Sweetie on lazy. She be mine on level. Say sweetie on level.